Hello children, welcome to Social Science class. In this video, you are going to study Chapter 17, Nandita in Mumbai. Let's start the chapter with mind mapping. Kids, if I say Mumbai, which type of words comes in your mind? Yes, big city. It means Mumbai is a big city. Many facilities. In Mumbai, there are many facilities. Beaches, slums, very crowded. Capital of Maharashtra. Yes, kids, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Aims and objectives. To know about city Mumbai, to understand the difference between village life and city life, to know about problems in slum areas. It means in this chapter you are going to know about Mumbai, difference between village and city life. In this chapter, you are also going to know about problems in slum areas. Now let's start the chapter. Nandita lives in a village. She came to Mumbai a month ago. Since she came, her mother has been admitted in the hospital. They had to come to Mumbai for her treatment. Nandita and her mother got off the train at Mumbai railway station. Her mama came to receive them. They left the station and were soon on way to Mama's house. It was so crowded everywhere. There were many huts lined all along the narrow street. They went through the street to reach Mama's house. Mama, Mami, their two daughters and a son all live in one room. Nandita was very much surprised that everything is done in one room. Cooking, washing, bathing, etc. Now she too lived there with them. Mami, Seema and Nandita get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. Dear kids, you won't believe how many fights there are for water. They are just a little late, then they are not able to fill water for the day. There is no tap in Nandita's village, but the pond in the village has water. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. In summer, sometimes the water in the pond dries up. Then they have to walk for almost 1 hour to the river to get water. But in the village, there were no fights for water. In the street where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one end. Everyone in the street uses that toilet. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. At first, it used to make Nandita vomit. At times, there is no water. They have to take water with them. Now, Nandita getting used to all this. In Nandita's village, People go to the open places or fields for toilet. Every day, Nandita go to the hospital by bus to see her mother. At first, she was too scared to get into such crowded buses. But now it is not like that. She knows how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down. Where her mama lives, there is a tall building nearby. Her mommy works in 7 houses there. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. One day, Nandita went there with her. When Nandita first saw the building, she thought that it was one big house. But she found that there were many houses, one on top of another. She was wondering how she would climb so many stairs. But there was a lift to take people up and down. It was like a big iron cage with fan and light and even a bell. Nandita and others got into the lift. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. Nandita was scared in the beginning. Mommy took Nandita first to Bablu's house. His house was on the 12th floor. What a big house! So many rooms. One to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. Their toilet was also in the house. It took Mommy a lot of time to clean Bablu's house. But she could work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. Bablu put up a bucket under the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. Nandita did not like it. She went and closed the tap. Bablu's house had big glass windows. Mommy told Nandita to look down from the window. From there, Nandita could see Mommy's street and the houses. But she could not make out which was Mommy's house. From up there, everything below looked like small toys. She was quite afraid to look down from such a height. Her mama is very much worried. They had to move from where they were living. They got notice third time to leave the place. People who live there have been given another place to make their houses, which was very far. Now children, let's know some new terms. Remember something in your mind. Narrow, having only short distance from side to side. Beach, a long stretch of sea along the sea. Lift, to move somebody or something to a higher level. Chowpatty, it is a sea beach in Mumbai along the Queen's Necklace adjoining Marine Drive in Goregaon. Dear kids, I hope you understood the chapter well and you come to know about Mumbai city, difference between village and city life, and I think you also understood problems of slum areas. Thank you.